back at it again with another video, man. Y'all know we out there more at target practice, man. We out here in the country, man. You know what I'm saying? Finna goddamn do a little couple target practice.
You know what I'm saying? We got little bottles out there.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? We trying to use the rifle. See Kenny who hit it, you know. Jump man, I missed. Little man missed.
I don't miss.
Jordan finna miss. D finna miss.
I already missed.
Sid,
You know
gonna
I'm
miss.
You know I'm gonna hit it.
Hey,
Mr.
the owner of the channel is late. You know what I'm saying? My boy Bankroll said he might want to take a couple shots, you know what I mean? Morris, can you hit that ball, man?
What day is it?
Ah, he didn't touch it.
I think it's too far for you, gonna do it.
I put some dirt in the trap.
Huh?
Try that folks.
There you go.
Alright, my boy Jump Man finna see can he hit that glass bottle.
Oh, this bitch got ants in this hole. No grabbing the goddamn dirt.
Dummy. Missed too.
Hey, that's off though. The scope off.
We gonna give it to the man who always shoot a squirrel first when we go in the woods.
You got a bullet in there? Yeah. Hey, throw this up, John. Damn, I just get beat by
Alright, D. Which one you going for?
That mother go.
Alright, you going for the glass.
That be all, man.
Yeah, I think the scope off, man.
Get back, man, bro.
Dude, from back there, it sounds sick as hell.
For real?
You see it down there?
Now you say you finna hit that,
You going for the glass bottle?
Jordan? Yeah, it's loaded, but
Hey, mother.
I ain't shot that gun in so long.
That bitch off.
It's off, ain't it?
Throw it up, John. Throw it up, John.
It blew right.
Throw it up.
This motherfucker ride.
Here,
You shot a dog.
I got you.
Alright, y'all, you know what I'm saying? That's a 410.
Throw it up.
Oh, man. We gonna see Sid. See can he hit.
I hit something, dude. I hit that more. I know I did. I heard a bullet in it, dude.
Aim the gun, Joe.
I hit something. I know I did.
I'm gonna shoot.
Throw it up.
You
ready?
Alright. Wait, they finna try to hit it again.
You got beat by a mother. Bing. Let me try it again. David, throw this up to see.
You make like a pin or something like that.
cocky.
Y'all ready? See Sid can eat it. Yeah, he missed. The ball didn't move.
You
I
know,
was
some
gonna say something knocked off that
bottle.
Y'all don't want to miss with that shotgun.
Look at you. Look at you. Yeah, look at you.
Oh.
Alright, D.
Come on, man. He threw my shot out.
Back row, come here, man.
Channel down.
Say, what are you doing?
Asshole.
So I ain't hit it.
Oh, you hit it. Hold on. Oh, you...
Somebody just hit that.
I'm gonna hit.
I ain't shot it.
I don't think you been hit.
I ain't shot it.
I tried to shoot it toward the left a little bit.
Let me show y'all hit it. Throw it up.
I tried to shoot it toward the left a little bit, but they ain't with me.
Come here, back row. You ready?
Yeah, he knocked that on the dime.
You know how we came in with them shotties, man.
Say again, say.
You know how we came in with them shotties.
All right, back row. Come here. Come here, back row. Back row.
Y'all need to get some clays.
Them up the laid down.
All right, you know what I'm saying? If this video hit 500 views, we'll go buy some clays.
I think my uncle got a clay shooter too.
Man,
Shoot, his uncle got a clay shooting, you know what I'm saying?
oh! Back row.
Back row.
Ready?
Okay, y'all trying to hit some.
I'm good on that. I want
Nasty.
I want to hit the bottle. Back roll.
Bankroll.
I know that mother.
Back roll.
Don't buy a pit bull.
Come on.
Oh, he gonna go straight to D.
All right, Mark, get bankroll, man.
Come on, come here. I can't see shit.
Hello.
What you about? You about to shoot that thing right there?
Shoot that glass bottle all the way down there.
Hell no.
You think I'ma hit?
He would have.
You don't think I can?
Alright.
We'll see. If he don't hit it this
I'm
time,
gonna try that.
Look at it, man.
I'm gonna try this gun, then I'm gonna try it without.
Yeah.
Cause
Yeah.
he was
But I don't think I'm gonna make it without.
I'm gonna try it. But that was not.
Oh yeah.
You trying to hit the glass bottle?
Look,
Right
look
there.
at it, dude.
And I know it ain't no safety.
It is gonna say.
You don't like that dude, bankroll. You don't like that dude.
Dang, dude, a minute in the video, dog. You ain't shoot yet.
Cause it can't.
Let me try.
I can't even find it.
Here we go.
Stop.
Get down with
Hit
it.
bankroll. Brick.
Shot it. He ain't go that far. It ain't gonna reach.
I think 20 gauge get out there.
I'm finna stop. Bank roll. Bank roll.
Bankroll.
I'm not even your owner.
No wonder they're 8.
Yeah.
Ain't going nowhere.
Hey.
There we go. I'll tell you, this is how you shoot that son of a bitch. He did something. It went right past it. You see it?
Shit.
He went right past them.
It jumped a little bit.
I tell y'all what.
I went on it.
Don't shoot
Where
at the
was you
glass
at?
bottle. Shoot at the
Right
plastic.
beside it.
Shoot at the
Like
plastic.
to the right or to the
I'm
left?
about to try
To
the
the
glass.
left.
Let me see. Here, hold this.
I ain't so damn mother again. Let me try to shoot this. I'm finna shoot at that. I'm finna shoot at the plastic right
No, it didn't go out to me.
now. Is it on fire? Yeah.
I'm gonna say,
There you go,
Got
Mark.
20 gauge shit.
we ain't bring no more 20
20
gauge
gauge
bullets,
shit.
did you? Hey.
Yeah, they on the ground.
Calm down. Calm down.
You hit some.
I heard
Like a
that.
tree.
Shoot the tree. I hit that
Calm
tree.
down.
Yeah, hit a tree.
What did you try to hit?
Calm
down, bankroll.
I was trying to shoot closer to see was it off.
I got these two, David.
Get that mud set.
To the right of
You
you.
gonna see. You gonna find out who really can shoot in, boy. You gonna shoot some shoot at some squares with them.
You ain't been sighting it in, fella? I got something you can use to sight the search in. You ever heard of a laser bullsighter? It's a thing you stick down in there and you put it on and you aim it and it puts you on paper. So it's like instant paper. And then from there you just sight it in.
You heard that, guys?
Damn, these wrong ones.
It's the wrong one.
These is that one right there. I need.
Ooh, I thought that was Chris.
Krishna home playing with his new dog.
Ready? Why you shoot it? Man, I'm ready. Oh, now you wanna go get it back up.
What did Nicholas say?
My time. I got that. I missed.
Yeah, you missed.
Oh. Ready? You ready? You ready? Yeah. Shoot it.
Oh! Check that out!
I hope you got that on camera. He did. Hey, no. Look, Penrose. Everybody sing that.
You hit D.
Yes, sir.
I want to
Look
fight
at bankroll.
that
Look at
glass
bankroll.
ball.
Look at bankroll.
You try, baby.
Told you, Dan.
That mug gotta be all of
You
bro.
just don't never not hit me.
Yeah, it's all
Go on top from the ground.
Yeah, try from the ground so bankroll can jump on you.
Yeah, lay all the way on the ground.
What bank roll?
Like you finna snipe somebody.
What is that? though. Got that bone.
Ooh, let me shoot that.
I just had. I
Yeah.
lost it.
Sorry, look.
It'd be fun to do it.
I thought he hit it.
I was dead on that mud.
Heck, no, I'm trying to
If you was dead on, that bottle would exploded.
Man. Uh-oh. You ain't finna shoot shit now.
Get on bankroll.
I don't know if that motherfucker went that way. It might be empty. It was only 3 of
It
them.
wasn't enough. It wasn't enough.
Get on bankroll.
Come here, baby, bro.
say hello to my little friend. Huh? Nope. Here, though.
You can go ahead, girl.
You bitch, you need to just don't make my head.
From back there, it's like boom.
Damn.
Go back there and
Ain't no fucking way. Ain't no fucking way.
Set it in.
Ain't no way in hell.
these motherfuckers here feel like slugs. Actually, they feel worse than slugs.
That's what I said when he let me. I shot the first bullet out of there.
Huh?
I think the reason why your scope off because you laid on the ground
Worse
out.
than slugs.
Heck no.
Probably.
It's really-
I
Oh,
don't
yeah,
think
just
so.
pull it down.
Keep bumping it.
That's much worse than slugs.
Boy, everybody posted in front of their truck, taking
You
a
ain't
picture,
shot that all day
hold the
before?
bank roll like that right there with the Cuban link on. Ooh, that boy gonna be fresh.
He lost his Cuban link, man.
Cuban link, man.
Yeah. It's worse than the 20 gauge.
Heck yeah.
Oh, you ain't seen that? Put that slick on.
Good job.
There you go, Darren.
Boom.
Bank roll. Come on, shoot. Bank roll.
Yeah. Man, y'all boy, I'll shoot them up with one hand.
I bet you won't.
Get here then.
Okay.
You gonna miss it.
I don't want to miss y'all.
Try to hit it, man.
Ain't in there, say it. Say it. I want you to shoot them up one hand.
One hand.
Shoot one handed.
Bad motherfucker.
You gonna shoot it like this?
I said I'm gonna shoot them up like.
Sit down. Sit down. Lay down, yeah. Stay right there.
Like this?
I'm gonna hit that right ball. I'm gonna ease up a little bit.
Go ahead.
I'll shoot it like this. You shoot it.
Saved it, man.
I got no say. Oh no, I didn't.
Try to hit it.
One hand's it.
Y'all know I'm thinking, man.
Don't do it, Dave. Don't do it.
What?
Do it.
Do it. Ain't gonna, that shit ain't gonna hurt, Dave. Do it. I don't know how we get down out here, man. Do that, man. What's that? This one
Yeah,
don't
kick,
kick.
D.
This one don't kick.
Hold it like this and
Why
shoot.
them damn-
Hold it like this.
Hold it like this and
Why that
shoot.
motherfucker don't kick, say?
I can hit a shotgun like that.
I shoot. Come on. How I shoot that deal with my 12 gauge?
But I was gonna kick harder though.
Like that.
What you say? What you say, more?
Louder, but it don't kick.
Man, y'all, boy.
Say that gun is lighter.
Like this. Shoot like this.
Shit, look at that shit.
I don't know why.
That more lighter.
Oh, D, hold on, D. You get put your bear in the ground, man. Check the end of the barrel. Them more can split.
Yeah.
Check the end of the barrel.
Y'all know how
I know
many
they was coming, man.
Alright. Let me get back.
hot knock, baby.
I wish there was some birds around here. I'll show you.
That's what I'm waiting on to fly across.
And the bird here all this, man, they ain't coming.
Hell no. Hold on. I got two at home. A black one and I'm gonna be pissed when you hit, 'cause I wanna shoot.
Shoot.
Wanna find it,
I
man.
shoot this in this one hand.
Alright.
Just like this.
That's how we live, boy. We living like that, man.
I can't find it. That mean in my turn.
It didn't become safe.
Shit. Let me see how some of that lab. Go down and shoot that wall.
I remember Jordan shot that water.
Hey, let's go find a beaver. Let's go in that tunnel.
I got no
There we go.
shoes.
There we go.
Unless y'all gonna take me home, go slip change shoes. Oh, I got shoes. Say it, no.
All right, the end day now, man. If the scope off, it ain't gonna get it.
I was dead.
Nah, I go see that.
I'm about to try. Wait.
Yep.
Get him, Bank
That
Road.
boy licked his lips. Come on, Barrel. Come on, Barrel. Come on. Yeah, come on.
Hurry up, Joe. Hurry up, man.
You got approximately 8 seconds until Back Row figure out we trying to keep him from you.
Let's throw one of y'all baits up in there and shoot.
Fuck no. Need that nicotine. Need that nicotine. Dude, what happened to your eye?
Hell, stop, man.
Looking at them stars.
You believe in it?
I don't know. I just heard my grandma say it a lot.
Asthma.
I thought I was not laughing.
Bro, you shaking.
You better get Bank Road.
Shit.
You ain't hit.
Damn, ain't nobody in that.
I was finna go down here, y'all. You know what I'm saying? See what did we hit?
Not a damn thing.
Not nothing.
Mark, you got a shell at 14?
Shoot that bitch,
Let me see it.
I bet
Let me see it 14.
No, hey, David, what you got in there?
Huh?
What you got in there?
Strawberry.
That bitch strong. Oh,
I
God.
don't know.
That bitch strong, bro. That strawberry strong as free.
Yeah, that bitch strong. I ain't gonna lie to you.
D, you got asthma, man.
Get your can of that dip, man. I tell y'all what, how about this? Somebody back up and get that 14 and shoot.
Hey, you know what I'm saying? You need to try some stokers, man. That's some pretty good deal. Oh, Mo, you crazy, man, boy. I mean,
Hey, hold on. Everybody stand right here and somebody try to shoot it with the gun.
I'm about to try to shoot right now.
I'm gonna say, you been jealous out there. So we was far back and then you know the wind.
If I made this song, I know.
We was far back and then you know the wind and stuff.
That bitch off.
that bitch out.
Yes. Dude, ain't no way.
We're gonna find out David missed.
Finna get some rolls tonight, DJ.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. That bitch off. Somebody gone. Two people get these shotguns and shoot at them up.
Wait, Mark.
More.
Come on, come back.
No!
Stop going in front of these
On
guns.
me.
All right, get your ass shot.
It load the set.
y'all be done shoot,
It
man.
load the set. Yeah, them load.
Y'all just tell me.
2 out of 20 gauge. Damn, I wanted it.
Jordan, Mama, you better stand back here and shoot with Jordan.
I got next one.
And then in there.
Hey, Jordan ain't shooting enough. Fuck. Damn, the bullets always going. Damn. Shoot at him, man. And that bitch still didn't break.
I told you. Hold on. Don't let go. Let go see real quick. Hold on. Bro, you cannot tell with it.
And it didn't crack it.
You cannot tell when it.
Oh, damn, you knocked the plastic off and this it.
Bro,
Oh, now
if them shotgun shells ain't finna bust, them rifle shells ain't gonna bust.
It went here. Right here. No.
I told you that thing not finna bust that ball.
Who got a shell on one of them
I
shotguns?
don't.
Nobody.
No, you gotta walk back up there and get one.
What you finna do?
I'm finna shoot it with this.
Yeah.
Man, let me get back, cause that more. He shot that more bounced off the bottle. Yeah, did he go through it?
It bounced off.
It bounced off. Yeah, it bounced off the bottle. So what you think that finna go through it? That more might not be off.
Dude, no, I was dead on.
No, cool.
I tell you what.
Hold on, it might be hitting
I
these
tell you
trees.
All right,
It's not hitting them trees.
I can tell you if it's dead off. You stand here and we'll shoot. And you tell me if it's
know about that one, Cole.
Yeah.
Hey, we'll know if it's on or not.
Hey, I messed around and dropped back. Yeah, it's on.
Hey, he go.
I caught it.
Fiending, man. Fiending.
I probably like that more. Don't take nobody.
That more, like I said, come on, now, that 410. It didn't go through that. What you think? that finna go through it, huh? Man, I don't know about that, cause y'all can have it up close.
I'm finna shoot right.
Oh, okay, hold on, D. Let me get back. They won't even bounce off of me.
I mean,
D,
that bitch off. For sure.
D, it's not finna go. It ain't finna bust, D. Oh, never mind, bust. It's on. Who just?
It might be on from that close.
Yeah.
You see how close you are?
The bullet's little,
Ooh,
so
right
we
here.
ain't about to get scared anyway, though.
We're like right here. We still hit that mud.
Let's find out.
Hey!
All right, we call 911. Right now. A bomb, a can. All right, watch out, Dave. Let's see, can you hit that can? It's on the ground. D, you can't see, man. It's a can.
Let me shoot it.
So you got a girlfriend?
Yeah.
Oh. Little chicken.
You got a girlfriend?
I just said it when D shot the gun, man. I told y'all what I said. Say it.
I want to see.
Bankroll Chronicles.
Bankroll free.
That's the freshest dog on YouTube, dog.
Bankroll, come here.
Bankroll.
Come here.
It's the freshest single barrel.
Should have seen him when he was little. He had a diamond chain around him.
Iced out.
Cuban.
All right, come on. Come on, Bankroll.
Bitch, I want to shoot a gun like this.
I was in there eating rice. Couldn't wait to see the light start. I've been trying to get it right.
Y'all already know. That's the owner right there. Mr. Dan Tank.
That bitch sick. Let me jump on you. That bitch look good first, bro.
Man, only diesel in the group, man. He's dirty too. Look at who it is. Mr. Ford in the building.
Oh, yeah.
And said he little sidekick.
Come to the back. Come to the back.
You already know. She tooted. Tooted up.
Tooted and booted.
Hey. Fuzzy steering wheel cover. Ooh, them will like percolate. Come on, do it again. Do it again.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Oh, you didn't join in.
Come on, Jordan. No. Come on, William. Get down with.
It is. Come on, this way. Come, please, come on.
You trying to fuck? We trying to fuck? We trying to fuck?
How are you doing?